Hey guys, welcome back to Joe's Life. Again, I'm going to show you guys what's in the Brookshed fridge and freezer. So let's start off with the freezer. So in the freezer we just have in this drawer here, I'm scared to open it, but in this one we have like meat and stuff. This one we have ice cream, that one we have ice in here. Then in here, hello my cat, hello baby, I'm filming girl. And then this is the fridge. So we have empty shelves here. Then here we have wine and a Monster. On top shelf we have a water bottle. So I can see my cat. And then here we have wine, some orange juice and 2 more waters. Then in here we have these dairy milk Oreo balls for Halloween. And then 2 empty shelves here, and that's pretty much what's in the fridge and freezer right now. I want to show you guys what the pumpkin looks like since I bought the pumpkin, and it's got the tags off. So let me show you guys, and the other sweets I've got as well. So pumpkin right there. This is just the pumpkin that I got here and stuff. And then in here we have the Haribo sweets here, which is also for them. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, share and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And please remember to stay positive and stay beautiful. Bye.